Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ninja and today, we're talking about something super exciting, AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just looking to make some extra cash online, these AI tools will supercharge your productivity and your income. Let's dive in. We have Jasper AI, your ultimate tool for copywriting. Jasper helps you craft perfect ad copy, blog posts, and even sales emails. If you're in digital marketing or you run a business, Jasper can help you convert visitors into customers by creating persuasive content that resonates with your audience. Say you have an online store, Jasper can generate product descriptions that sell, or if you're a freelancer, you can offer copywriting services to businesses. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to start earning with minimal effort. If you're looking to turn your knowledge into income, then you need Teachable. This platform uses AI to help you build, market, and sell your own online courses. Whether you're an expert in photography, fitness, coding, or anything else, Teachable makes it easy to create a course that people will want to buy. I've used Teachable myself to create courses, and let me tell you, once the course is created, you can earn passive income. Once someone buys it, you don't need to do much work after that. Our final tool is Copy.ai. This tool automates the creation of sales copy, ad creatives, and product descriptions. It's perfect for businesses or freelancers who want to streamline their content creation process and boost sales conversions. If you're a freelance copywriter or work with e-commerce brands, Copy.ai will save you hours on each project. You can charge per project or create a steady income stream by offering copywriting services to businesses that need high-quality marketing materials. And there you have it. 5 AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. Whether you're looking to create content, automate your copywriting, or even teach courses online, these AI tools will save you time and effort while boosting your income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment below letting me know which AI tool you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.